Hi, teacher. My name is Alan Paez. In my final product, I explain about Isabella's Island. In this website, you will get to know Isabella's Island. It is important to discover the touristic place of your country, such as this island. For this, I am going to talk about the interesting facts about the island. This island was originally called Albermeil or Santa Gertrudis, and today with the island of Isabela. It is located 1,000 kilometers squares from the Ecuadorian coast in the Galapagos archipelago. It is the largest island within this territory, uh, within 4,588 kilometers squared. On this island is different from the other signs. It has 5 volcanoes and is called the island of volcanoes. It was annexed to Ecuador in the presidency of General Jose Flores, and this island shows a great variety of fauna and flora. Signs, the animals and plants that live in this place have to adapt to the environment in which they are surrounded. The population doesn't exceed 1,000 inhabitants. Um, okay. Sustainable social practice as community. The people in Isabella's Island organize practice sustainable because they have a responsibility to take care of the city, because the Isabella's Island in Galapagos are famous for the attraction touristics. The first practice is the restriction of commercial fishing, because this island and the ones around it, they are marine reserves and you only practice artisanal fishing. The second practice is they do organize a group voluntary uh, people for the pick up trash around of the island and recycle materials to give new use. For example, handicrafts. This measure is for take care of the flora and fauna of this island. Flora and fauna. The flora and fauna of Isabela and of the Galapagos is very diverse, and there are endemic species. In the flora of Galapagos, there are species such as mousses, orchids, cactus, the fruit that is the tuna. In the fauna, there are animals, for example, sea lions, sea turtles, and the others. There is a lot of variety of bird species, for example, Galapagos penguins, pinzones, piqueros, blue and red, uh, and the other. But the recognized animal on this island are the turtles. In specific, the famous turtle is the turtle George. Gastronomy. The gastronomy of Isabella's Island is very varied. The ingredients that are used mainly are from sea animals, agricultural products. An example of this in the dishes, seafood, scraps, shells, squid are widely used. Garlic, peppers, onions, tomatoes, yuca. The most representative dish of this region are in Spanish, arroz marinero, diferencia food, bolón de verde, and yuca. Recommendations, you should visit the entire Isabela's Island site. It has a great variety of animals and plants unique in the world because they have had to adapt to the ecosystem in which they are forming an endemic fauna and flora. Uh, this place has a hot climate, therefore people who visit this place should wear light clothing, a cap, and sunscreen to enjoy the weather and avoid burns on their body. You should not remove the animals or plants from these island since it affects the balance of the ecosystem. Therefore, you should inform if you know of people who carry out these criminal acts. You should take photos of this place. It's the experience that you are going to enjoy here will not be repeated in your life. This is my presentation. Thank you.